Welcome to Tools Met. Today, we're excited to show you an essential woodworking tool, the wood router machine. A wood router is designed for precision cutting, edge shaping, and decorative woodwork. From making smooth grooves to creating professional edges, this machine helps turn simple wood into quality craftsmanship. This router machine comes with a powerful motor that delivers high-speed performance, making it suitable for both softwood and hardwood. The solid build ensures durability, while the comfortable grip gives better control and reduces hand fatigue during long work sessions. One of the best features of this wood router is its versatility. It supports different router bits, allowing you to cut straight lines, trim edges, make joints, and add detailed designs with ease. The depth adjustment system is simple and accurate, helping you achieve clean and consistent results every time. Safety and stability are also well maintained. The firm base and secure bit lock system help reduce vibration and improve cutting accuracy. Whether you're a professional woodworker, furniture maker, or DIY user, this wood router machine is a reliable and valuable addition to any workshop.